cold. Please help me take care of Jojo. Jojo wants to play with toys. Let's play with him. Play! There are so many toys in the toy room. Which toy should we play with? Let's put the toys together. This is Jojo's favorite little train. Let's put it together. Choo-choo! The little train gets moving. Jojo is hungry. Let's make him something to eat in the kitchen. What can we cook for Jojo? Egg custard! Jojo wants to eat steamed egg custard. Let's cook it. Stir to beat the eggs well. The steamed egg custard is too hot. Let's cool it down. The steamed egg custard smells so great. Jojo can't wait to have a try. Let's feed him. Eat! Jojo wants to have more to eat. Let's make a bowl of fruit salad as well. Fruit salad is ready. You are awesome. Oh no, Jojo's diaper is dirty. Let's give him a bath. Jojo can't wait to take a bath. He looks uncomfortable in the dirty diaper. Let's help Jojo take off his dirty diaper first. Let's add some fragrant lotion. Let's apply some soap to wash Jojo cleaner. Jojo is done with the bath. Let's put on a new diaper for him. Jojo looks so comfortable. Jojo needs to go to bed. Let's take